Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's pick some cards to start things off. Sea dragons, embrace your inner power and let your majestic spirit soar through life's depths. Elder of Pentacles, number 77. Zero, 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 limitless potential, transformation, serenity, trust, achievement, release, potential, success, triumph. This is a powerful reminder that anything is possible. If you can dream it, you have the ability to make it a reality. What someone else has can also be yours. Stay calm and trust that what is meant for you will come your way. Release any tension and embrace relaxation, knowing that your potential is boundless. What else do we need to hear today? When the world feels like it's coming crashing down around you, take that as an opportunity to find yourself and let go of who you thought you were. Not all storms come to destroy your life. Some come to clear your path. Decide that this crisis will be the turning point for what you have been waiting for. Wake up and be awesome. Positive moments. Think about your day up to now. Pick out 3 positive moments and jot them down. See, there's happiness hidden everywhere. 1,000 marvels bloom anew each dawn. Catch it. And our last card today. Intuition. I trust my intuition as the compass guiding me towards the right path. I listen to the whispers of my inner voice, knowing that it holds wisdom and insight. With confidence in my decisions, I embrace the power of intuition to navigate life's choices and embrace my true purpose. Alrighty, which item has our messages today? Let's try this one. When someone undermines your dreams, predicts your doom, or criticizes you, remember, they're telling you their story, not yours. Shout out to anyone who is currently using a great percentage of their energy on keeping a tiny flame of hope alight every single day while a storm of uncertainty and heaviness swirls around them. I see you. You don't get to decide what other people do. You only get to decide what you do and how to respond what other people do. Yep. Review and contemplation. You've accomplished a lot in your life, and you have much to be proud of. Now is the time to decide what's next. As you think upon the past and the present, you'll get clearer on your purpose. Don't get distracted. think outside the box and be the real you. Try to choose kindness and speak only when it improves upon the silence. What you say to people can go a long way in making them feel less lonely. And the last one today. You always have agency. You're allowed to take your time to respond. You're allowed to think and feel differently than others. You're allowed to choose how you show up and when. Things begin to change when you recognize that you always have a choice. Learn how to sit with the discomfort of exercising your right to choose what truly aligns best with you. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.